Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Chococat from Sanrio. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the shape of the head. Let's start with a curve for the top of the head like this. Now from the sides, let's curve it down and in. And the same thing on the right side. And now let's connect the lines at the bottom. Next, let's draw the eyes inside. Let's start with a large circle on the left side. And the same thing on the right. Now let's add another circle inside each eye toward the center. And then color them both in black. Next, let's add the nose. In between the eyes, at the bottom, let's draw a curve up and down. And then close off the bottom with another curve. Next, let's add the ears on top of the head. Start on the top right and let's draw a curved V shape up and back down. And now the same thing for the left ear. And now inside each ear, let's add a border. And lastly, for the head, let's add 2 whiskers on either side. And that's it for the head. Let's add the body next. Let's start by drawing a curve underneath the head. Next, move down, let's leave a gap and let's draw a curve down on the left and on the right for the sides of the body. And then from the bottom, let's curve it down and then bring it out and back in. And the same thing on the right. And then a straight line down in the center. Next, let's add the arms. Let's start next to the neck and let's draw a curve down and back into the side of the body. And the same thing on the right side. And lastly, let's add the tail. Let's start on the bottom right of the body and let's draw a curve out and up to the right. And then the same thing underneath. And now let's close off the end with the curve. And that's it for Chococat. Now let's quickly color it in. and done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!